Right, I've scooted all over Marmaris and Icmeler for the best authentic kebabs. And I'm not talking about tourist traps, these are the real deal. 5 kebabs over the last few years, one epic countdown, let's dive in.
The tomato sauce is perfect.
If you are in Icmeler, make sure you come checking them out. Conjolo, brand new restaurant, authentic Turkish food.
Right, let's get to Marmaris and Icmeler and see where are the best authentic Turkish kebabs.
Right, so we're now opposite Zane's clothes shop in Armatelin, and we've gone to Baba Doner, where I came last year. There's a little write-up about them in Sunny Marmaris. I mentioned them in the last couple of magazines. And the reason I mention them is because the doner meat and the chicken doner is absolutely spot on and dirt cheap. So if you are looking for a cheap place to eat in Marmaris, then definitely check out Baba Doner. So you can just see over there, I will go closer, you can see 250 lira for chicken wrap, chips and a drink. That's roughly £5. Chicken wrap, chips and a drink for a £5. Today my dad's gone for grilled meatballs. It comes with rice, chips. He didn't want any of that, he just wanted the meat, so I think I'm going to start tucking into his and wait for my own lamb wrap to come over, which is about £6 with chips and a drink with that as well. And the drinks are glass balls.
We're going to try.
You're trying one of them.
Here he goes.
Hot or not saying?
You feel like 47 degrees?
Not yet.
Thank you very much. Right, so this is a wrap that's came to the table. Inside it's got salad, it's got lamb doner. All of our chips have just came in one pile on the table. Zane's gone for a flatbread pita. Gonna get a little bit of salt on there, some salt over the chips, and dig into the bargain wrap. Really tasty meat, dripping, because it's just been cooked fresh. Perfect. For the price of it, it's an absolute steal and better than any of the wraps that you'd get in the UK. As soon as you walk into Blue Port, you've got Jack and Potato stall. We're going to take the lift up to the top floor and check out the different food vendors. This does everything. It does Turkish food, pizza, burgers, hot dogs, barbecue grill, does everything. So first you have a pizza shop. As soon as you walk in, the pizzas are beautiful from there. Gozel. How do you pronounce this? Alia. Traditional Turkish food on Alia. Barbecue mangal. Look at this. Proper barbecue food.
How are you?
Hello mate, merhaba. You okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Good mate. Yeah, good, thank you, good. And next door, newly opened this season, is Panda Chinese and Indian buffet. So it opens 6 o'clock till 10. And this is the top of Blue Port Mall, but let me show you these views. So you've got the marina this way, the beachfront just down here with Felix or Pucker on the corner. You turn left, that'll make your way to Salt and Pepper, Cum, Casper's. And down there is any bag, £10. And the prices up here, so cheap, for 8, 12, less than £4 and a Dana wrap.
That's good.
I'm going to get a Urfa wrap, please. Urfa. And
Is it good? Yeah.
Urfa's good. Can I get some garlic bread as well, please? Garlic bread, Urfa, and a Pepsi. So they have Urfa wraps or they have Urfa kebabs. So you decide which one you want, whether you want a small wrap or you want a decent sized meal. Now up here is mainly aimed at Turkish, but if tourists knew about it, you would all flood the place because it is so cheap and the food is delicious. So there we go. So before the food comes out, they now bring the appetizers, which is some bread, jalapenos, salsa, and I think it's a mint yogurt. So as well as the appetizers, the bread, the salsa that come out first, and that's complimentary. We also ordered some garlic bread, which was 50 Turkish lira, just over £1, 110, 120. Eat 4 slices of garlic bread. I've already ate one, and I'm going to dig into slice 2. And there it is, the Urfa kebab. Now, we've only gone for a wrap, which a wrap is less than £4. And I've gone for barbecue mangal just at the top of Blueport Mall. You can have pizzas, pitas, pasta, anything you want at the top of Blueport Mall. But for us, I went for a small, just for a little bite to eat with some garlic bread. And for both of us, it came to what, just over £10?
500, no, that's it. £12.
£12. About £12 for two of us. That's not bad, is it? 2 drinks, starter, garlic bread, and an Urfa wrap. Oh, listen, that's the Urfa wrap done in from Barbecue Mangal. Make sure you come and pay them a visit at the top of Blueport Mall and you will find some proper foodie bargains. Oh, thank you very much, mate.
Thank you.
Saul, thank you. Very nice. Good help. So the reason that Rota Barish is so good is because they use wooden logs to cook the doner meat, giving it that authentic Turkish cuisine flavour and the best doner meat, not just in Marmaris area, but in some of the whole of Turkey. That goes to going over the east, going over to Istanbul, which also had some fantastic doner meat. Rota Barish is up there with the best of them. So the fairground is just behind us, just over here. And we're now waiting for the Iskender kebab. Now the prices are a little bit more than some other places as well. For a plate of doner meat, you're looking at just over £11. For an Iskender, you're looking at £11.50, something like this. 480 Turkish lira for Iskender. But I do like an Iskender kebab, which is Turkish bread with doner meat on top, tomato on top of that, tomato sauce, and then melted butter. Mwah. Cannot wait. Thank you very much, Saul. So, Iskender kebab here with a side of yogurt and pepper as well. Mehmet's just got doner meat, rice, and bread. But for me, the Iskender kebab, once you put all that melted butter over the top of it, there is nothing like it. Do you want a salt, mate? You keep your salt. I'll have a tiny bit of salt, Mehmet, a tiny bit. Beautiful, look at that. So let's dig in. You can see the quality of meat. You can see the Turkish bread at the bottom, now soaked in butter. And I've been waiting for this for a long time. My God. Very tasty tomato sauce all over the top of it, not too sweet, and so much melted butter that all the doner fat drips into the bread and it makes it the perfect bread at the bottom of the dish. That is an incredible meal. When you've got the doner meat there, the fat from the doner meat will then soak into the rice as well. Beautiful. Now, a little bit more pricey than some other restaurants, but well worth it. And if it wasn't for Mehmet, I would never know about this place either. But Rota Barish on Marmaris Marina, just next to the fairground, is 1,000,000% Dad Loves Food approved. Oh, thank you very much, Saul.
You're welcome. Yes, please. Coke Zero. Normal cup.
Thank you very much, mate.
My friend, enjoy your meal. Thank you. Yes.
So this is Kayra in Icmeler. Now, if you've been to Icmeler, you'll have heard of Kayra. It's one of the most popular restaurants here. It's been here for years. Kayra pita, it's called. Pita after the Turkish pita bread. So let me show you outside. Oh! So this part of the video, I'm eating at a traditional Turkish restaurant called Kayra. You've also got some others on this main road heading towards Old Town. You've got Neffy's Pita over there as well. You've got some more nice restaurants further as you go along. And at the end of the road, you've got Tipsy Burger, which is homemade, fresh patty burgers, which are beautiful. But now I'm going to have my first Kayra of the summer. We're only in March, so there'll be plenty throughout the season. And I think this is Graham's first ever trip to Kayra. But everything, Kayra's got a very, very good name in Marmaris and Icmeler. It's traditional food and it is beautiful. So first off, the drinks have came out. I've gone with a Coca-Cola and my dad's gone for a Coke Zero. And it always tastes better from a glass. Then we've got some Turkish bread being brought out to the table, some mixed leaves and a little bit of salad as well. What's this paste, Dad? What's that?
I think it's it looks like salsa.
Salsa? Maybe aubergine? Let's try it. I think it is squashed up aubergine mixed with parsley, tomato, and there may be some other things in there. Bring on the kebabs. It's Kayra.
And special beiti kebab.
Beiti kebab.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Lamb shish wrap. You're welcome.
Thank you, mate. So,
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
so the food just came to the table. The guys just served us there here at Kayra and Icmeler. Now, first I've gone for a beiti kebab. Now, if you don't know what a beiti is, it's either an urfa, which is a non-spicy meat kebab, or an adana, which is a spicy chili meat kebab on the skewer, in a wrap, wrapped up, chopped up, with a tomato sauce over the top, and then melted butter all over as well, with yogurt in the middle, which is a little bit like an Iskender, but a beiti it's called in the wrap. And that looks beautiful. So this is Kayra in Icmeler, which we already know does beautiful food, and now I'm going to have my first Kayra of the season. That tomato sauce is rich, tangy, the melted butter covers the whole beiti, and they've also got a little bit of cheese in there too. Soaking up all that butter on the plate. I absolutely love it. The urfa in the centre is cooked perfectly, really juicy, hot, and you get that char grill flavour from the barbecue. The tomato sauce is perfect, tangy, sweet at the same time, plenty of it on each individual piece, and then that melted butter all over the top of it just finishes it off. You've got the yogurt in the middle, so if you order like an adana and you want to cool it down, you just then take some yogurt, put that on the beiti kebab, and smash it in one each piece. So many flavours on the plate, and cooked perfectly. Well played, Kayra. Very nice. I think the kebab wrap was about £4 to £5 for a lamb sheesh wrap. The price of a beiti, you know, I don't want to tell you the wrong prices. The soup was about £3, was it? £4? £3 or £4 for the soup. You know, it's not an expensive place, and that's because a lot of Turkish eat here. Look, that's all the food: the urfa, adana, the lamb sheesh, the liver, gia in Turkish is all there prepared, just in the fridge, waiting to be served to you lot. Chef, thank you. Çok güzel. Thank you. Sağ ol. Thank you, mate. Right, so let's go and try the food once again at Koncaoğlu here in Icmeler. Icmeler's brand new Turkish restaurant. And this is the shish kebab at Koncaoğlu. So on the plate in front of me now, I've got some doner meat, lamb sheesh, some Turkish bread. Is it bulgur rice?
Yeah, bulgur rice.
Bulgur rice and a little bit of salad. And I kid you not, that shish kebab is unbelievable. If you are in Icmeler, make sure you come checking them out. Koncaoğlu, brand new restaurant, authentic Turkish food. Perfect service, perfect views, and I'm sure me and Lee will be back before we leave to go back to the UK. What do you say?
Good appetite.
Je suis sexy, genre je sais pas. Monte dans l'avion direct, aéroport. J'ai pas beaucoup de cash, ça ne va pas. Mais j'ai ce truc qui frappe, tout allait pas. Je suis sexy, genre je sais pas. Monte dans l'avion direct, aéroport. J'ai pas beaucoup de cash, ça ne va pas. Mais j'ai ce truc qui frappe, tout allait pas. Je bois pas de Gucci ni Versace, mes côtés lisses.